Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the fine filter in your GE dishwasher, remove the bottom rack. Twist the filter counterclockwise to release it from the sump. To install the new fine filter, place the filter in the sump and twist clockwise until it locks. Set the lower rack assembly back into the dishwasher. And the dishwasher should be ready for use.